In this video, I'm going to show you how to descale the Delonghi Magnifica Evo Next. I'm going to try to show you as shortly and succinctly as I can. Now, first of all, I've got the descaler right here. This is the Delonghi descaler. I do recommend you use the Delonghi descaler so that you have the right concentration and the right kind of descaling liquid. Now, let's take a look. All right, so you can see it's telling me it's time to descale. Ready to start? 25 minutes it should take. Okay, let's do it. So it's going to guide me through it. First of all, we have to empty the drip tray and grounds container. Okay, we can move on. Please empty the water tank. All right, time to move on. Add Delonghi descaler up to level A and top up with water up to level B. So here's level A. And we're filling up to level B. It's important to fill up to the right levels. Place 2-liter container under both spouts. Ready, let's go. All right, now this process is going to take a while for it to run through all the descaler. We'll see you in a little bit when it's all finished. By the way, why are we descaling? Well, water has a ton of minerals in it, and if you don't descale, if you don't break up and extrude those minerals out of the tubing lines in the machine, you can render the machine useless. Just take a look at what it does here to our water kettle. My goodness. So that is the reason that you have to descale. Do it on a regular basis and your machine will last a long time. And by the way, guys, if you're getting any value out of this video, do me 2 favors. Number 1, give it a like. And number 2, subscribe to the video so I know to make more like this in the future. Okay, step 6, we gotta rinse the water tank and fill it up to level max. First, we gotta dump our descaling solution. And now we're going to fill it to level max right here. This is important to make sure that we get enough water to rinse all the way through, or it might request you to do it again. I would also suggest making sure there's nothing here in the drip tray before we proceed. I also like to support this with a sponge, and we can go on to the next step to rinse. All right, now it's finally finished rinsing with water. So it says time to fill the water tank with fresh water. But first we gotta dump our rinse water here, get that out of the way to make sure to dump out the drip tray, because it does also rinse a bit into the drip tray, as you can see there. Okay, so now it is time to refill the tank again with water up to the max level. Okay, did it. Place our container under the spouts again and go for our second rinse. Okay, our second rinse is finished. So let's empty that. Now it's asking, can you empty the drip tray? Let's do it. Please insert grounds container and drip tray. Alrighty, did it. Good. Descale completed. We did it. And next, we just have to fill up the tank with fresh water. So for this, I use Brita filtered water, since I need Brita filtered water anyway for my water kettle. Okay, so for the fresh filtered water, you just got to make sure that that sensor there, the float sensor, has been raised. And I'll stick that back in the machine. It's at this point, by the way, that you could also put a water filter in there if you're going to buy water filters from Delonghi. But I filter my water first. Okay, good to go. All right, so there we are, guys. We got the machine all descaled. It's going to be good to go for the future, ready to rock for more coffees. Hope you guys have a good day. And if you need to look for any of this stuff, this descaler or whatever, I will put some links in the description box down below. Have a good day, guys. Bye now.